What up, YouTube? So in this video, I'm going to show you what this means. If you're buying a car and you see a sticker like this, K-A-R-R, or maybe Rockledge, or perhaps a different brand, it's actually not a factory alarm. That's just an add-on to the factory alarm. The finance office won't tell you that, and they'll try to play those typical mind games. But from experience working for those companies, I'll show you here. This Subaru has a factory alarm. Okay, you saw how we tested that in the other video. And this is the shock sensor that they add. The shock sensor, they'll tell you, $5, $10 a month, maybe more. The whole length of the term, you're probably looking at least $300 for a shock sensor that costs $25. Now that's the low end. In my experience, I've had customers charge up to $1,800 just for a shock sensor, but they don't realize that. And their car actually had a factory alarm the whole time. So just be careful, because in the next video, we'll show you how easy it is to install them. Or you can even go to a audio shop and they'll install one for you for a lot less. Now, if you don't have a factory alarm, I still don't suggest you get this because it's still way too expensive. You can get an aftermarket alarm with all the bells and whistles for a lot cheaper than this, including remote start. So it's up to you, but I really don't recommend a non-brand generic alarm system for $1,800. Anyway, in the next video, we'll show you how to install any type of sensor to a factory alarm system. And then in another video, we'll show you how to add an alarm if you only have keyless entry. Cool, guys. Peace.